There are so many ways to use French knots in your embroidery. A single knot can make a center for a daisy, or combined together, they can create a wide variety of designs in your embroidery work. Let's take a closer look at the French knot to see how it's done. To make a French knot, I'm going to pop up from the back side of my fabric, and I'm going to wrap around my needle 3 times. So I want to wrap over the top away from me. 1, 2, 3. And I'm staying pretty close to the fabric while I'm wrapping. Now I'm going to poke back in very close to where my thread came out. Not exactly the same spot, but really close. And before I pull my needle through, I'm going to make sure that I'm holding on to this tail. So I'm holding a bit of tension and I'm keeping it locked in place. And now I pull my needle through. And just at the last moment here, I can let go with my thumb. And there's my little French knot. Let's see that again. So I'm coming up. I'm going to lay my needle close to the fabric and I wrap 1, 2, 3 times around. I poke back into the fabric very close to where I came out. Hold that tail. This is important. You really want to hold that tail. And then I can pull my needle through. And at the very last moment, I can let go of my tail. Now, here are a few tips. Oftentimes, I will see children when they're first learning to do this stitch, they want to wrap it way over here, far, far away from the fabric. If I try to poke back in here now, I'm going to have a great big loop and I'll get all tangled up. It's important that before we wrap, our needle is very close to the fabric, and then we can wrap 3 times around. And now I'll poke back in and I insert my needle just a bit before I'm ready to pick up the fabric. So I am working on the table here. I'll hold that tail, and now, knowing my needle is in place, I can let go with this hand, reach around to the back, and pull it through. And I make a neat and tidy little French knot. Another common bump in the road I see with children when they're first learning the French knot is holding the tension. So it's important that as I'm wrapping, of course I'm holding tension while I wrap, but I'm not going to let go. I'm holding this tension. If I let go of the tension, my wraps might easily just come off the needle, just like that, right? So we need to hold that tension. And if there are children who have had handwork in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade, we can recall that we need to hold tension just right with crochet. We need to hold the tension just right with spinning and with knitting too. Tension is always going to come up in our handwork skills. So here it is again. Holding the tension, not too tight, not too loose as I wrap around. I poke into the fabric and I'm still holding on. I can't let go of this little tail until I'm all the way to the end. I'm waiting until it's almost complete. And now I can let go and release it.